Garlic mashed potatoes are one of those dishes that can make anyone feel like a five-star chef. They're creamy, savory, and the perfect comfort food. Yet, so many people mess them up by overcomplicating things. Let's fix that. First, pick the right potatoes. This is where the magic starts. Forget waxy potatoes like red or fingerling. You want fluffier options like russets or Yukon Gold. They mash better without that gluey texture everyone dreads. Peeling potatoes might feel tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. Some people argue about leaving the skins on for texture, but honestly, it just feels lazy if you're going for elegance. Pro tip, use a Y peeler, it's faster. Cut the potatoes into equal chunks, about 2-inch pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Unevenly cooked potatoes are the quickest way to ruin the texture. Imagine biting into a creamy mash and finding a hard lump. Not the vibe. Now let's boil. While many people dump potatoes into already boiling water, start with cold, salted water. Gradual heating cooks them evenly inside and out. Salt the water generously. The potatoes absorb it like a sponge, making them taste better. Here's the test. Are your potatoes fork tender? If a fork slides in easily, they're done. Overcooking turns them waterlogged, which means sad, thin, mashed potatoes. Time management matters here. Around 15 minutes should do the trick. Now the star, garlic. Don't just toss raw garlic in, that's amateur hour. Roast your garlic in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil until it's golden and creamy. Roasted garlic gives the mash deep caramelized sweetness. Drain the potatoes thoroughly. Too much water left in the mix ruins everything. Let them steam off in the pot for a minute or two, ensuring they're drier and ready to soak up all that buttery, garlicky goodness. Here's where the magic really happens. Add warm butter and cream, not cold. Cold ingredients shock the potatoes and make them seize up. Warm butter melts straight into the mash, creating that perfect silky texture. Grab your masher, ricer, or even a whisk. Don't use a blender unless you want gummy mashed potatoes. Work quickly but gently. A potato ricer is a game changer if you want ultra-smooth results. Season as you go. Add salt and pepper, taste, then adjust. There's nothing worse than bland mashed potatoes. If you're feeling adventurous, a pinch of nutmeg or chives can take the flavor up a notch. Don't forget presentation. A drizzle of olive oil, a pat of butter melting on top, or even some chopped parsley can elevate the dish visually. Remember, people eat with their eyes before they taste anything. Serve them hot. Garlic mashed potatoes lose their charm if left sitting too long. Plan your timing well if you're serving a crowd. And here's a pro tip. Make a little extra. They're always the first dish to disappear.